What if I told you there was one machine in Planet Fitness that isn't the leg machine where you can do your entire leg workout with only 2 exercises? That's what I'm going to show you guys today. So let's go ahead and hop in there. All right, I'm going to squat down so you guys can see me. It's this machine right here. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I talk about this machine a lot in the new Planet Fitness machine. This is one that nobody really uses because nobody understands how to use it. So I'm going to show you guys today how you can get a leg workout in just using 2 or 3 exercises from this machine. The first one, I already got it set up, is going to be what it's been made for. So it's called the ground base squat. And pretty much you would use it just like a deadlift. So it starts at the bottom and you just pick it up, put it down. The key when you're doing this kind of exercises is you want the weights to be at the bottom here. If they're up here, it's going to make it a lot easier compared to if it's down here because of the mechanics of it. So when you're doing this exercise, you want to start down here. I'll give you guys an example. I'm going to do my first set with it. All right. So doing this exercise, I realized there's one problem with this machine, and it's the progressive overload. So as you can see, the plates are maxed out for me, so I can only do so much, and then I start to move up here where, like I said, as soon as you start to put up here, it makes it a little bit easier. So that's the only issue with that. Obviously, if you can do more, put them up here, but that's the issue with that. I'm going to show you guys the next exercise that you can do with this one specific. All right, second exercise that you can do with this one to get a full leg workout is the Bulgarian split squat. Most people are used to it using the dumbbells and the bench. This one gives you a lot more stability, and the way you're going to set it up is, again, you're going to cut the weights on the lower instead of the upper. You're going to grab the bottom one instead of the top one. That way you get more range of motion. So it's probably going to cut my head off a little bit, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. And the good thing about this one is you don't have to feel like you're losing your stability, and you can still move your leg however you want it, unlike if you were to do it on a leg press. And you're still kind of in that fixed plane of motion, whereas with this, you can lose your leg a little bit. And depending on how forward, how backward, depending on a little bit what more emphasis you put on the stretch, okay? So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so just like that. I'm going to talk a little bit more about these after the gym because it's getting a little crowded in here. But I'll show you guys one more exercise that you can do with this one if you want to add some more intensity to it. So the very first one was a little bit of a hinge and a squat because we're hinging a little bit more depending on where your grip is, and then also you're doing a bit more of a squat. This one is more of a squat movement. So if you want more of that hinging motion, work more on the glutes and hamstrings, you'll do what you can probably guess what we're going to do next is it's a Romanian deadlift. So it looks like, and you don't have to come all the way down. You just come back up. All right. So that's for 3 exercises that you'll need to do a complete leg workout only on this machine. And it's great because this machine, nobody knows how to use it. So if you know how to use it, you can really take advantage of it because there's never any buying for it. But I'm going to meet you guys outside. So that's the machine, and those are the 2 to 3 exercises you can do on this machine. Again, it's one of those ones I really recommend people take advantage of because it's one that not a lot of people know how to do. So if you do know how to use this machine, you're already at a big advantage. And if you're watching this video and you still have no idea where to start in your workout program, or you have no idea where to begin, book a consultation with me in the link below and let's figure out what your goals are. What I do is I use AI to personalize every single one of my clients' workouts. It's very common for personal trainers to advertise that each one of their programs are personalized towards the client, but with AI, we really can personalize it down towards your exact schedule. And with that, you're going to see results the fastest way possible. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.